Hello humans. Welcome back. In this video I will tell you about 5 physicists who changed the world. Let's start. Number 5. Galileo Galilei. Born in Pisa, Italy in 1564, Galileo is called as the father of modern science because of his discoveries in astronomy and physics. He was sent to study medicine by his father, but he chose his career in science and mathematics and made the first telescope to observe stars and planets. He also discovered the law of pendulum as he watched a chandelier swing in the Cathedral of Pisa. He also discovered that the surface of Moon was not smooth but contained burrows and holes to what he called crater. Galileo discovered 4 revolving moons around Jupiter which are named after him. He proved what Copernicus said about Sun being the center of the solar system. Galileo became blind in his old days and died in the year 1642. Number 4. Michael Faraday. Born on 1791, British citizen Michael Faraday was a son of a blacksmith who had to leave school in the 4th grade. It started working as a bookbinder and taught himself to read and write. He developed a fascination with science and particularly in electricity after he studied lot of serious academic works during his days. Faraday is specially known for his discoveries of electromagnetic inductions and rotations, field theory, diamagnetization and the magneto-optical effect. This humble genius invented the electric motor and Faraday's ring. Faraday's inquisitive and curious nature made him take chemistry lectures and taught at the Royal Institution as a lecturer later when Humphrey Davy retired. Faraday also published research papers optical deceptions, condensation of gases and isolation of benzene from gas oils. He also wrote books on experimental researches in electricity and the chemical history of the candle. Faraday died in 1867. Number 3. Isaac Newton. Born on 1643 in Woolsthorpe, England, Sir Isaac Newton is best known for his law on gravitation. He was a poor student at school or at running the family estate. However, he loved making mechanical toys and models of windmills. Newton explained the theory of gravity and gravitation by inventing calculus as no other principles could explain it. The new revolution in mathematics, calculus, was derived from his binomial theorem to infinite series which accurately could measure the area inside the curve or rate of change of it. He also explained the theory on tides which occurred due to the gravitation pull from the Sun, Moon, and Earth. He also invented the reflecting telescope. Newton's laws can be found in different areas of mechanics, optics, and chemistry. He was knighted with the title Sir by Queen Anne in 1705. Newton died at the age of 84, in 1727. Number 2. Albert Einstein. Born on 1879 in Ulm, Einstein is considered as one of the greatest revolutionary scientists the world has ever known. The man of century has some spectacular works in physics which even makes him the father of modern physics for his contribution in developing the general theory of relativity. The world's most famous equation E=mc², on which the bomb is based, comes from his theory. One of the greatest scientists of the 20th century, Einstein's special theory of relativity revolutionized physics which even challenged the scientists at CERN. Albert Einstein's genius mind for the scientific advancement caused immeasurable change to the world. Together with his intellect, he was also a celebrity with his flirtatious behavior that could impress any women. This rare genius was awarded Nobel Prize in 1921 for his work on theoretical physics, and for his discovery of the photoelectric effect. Greatest physicist ever voted. Einstein died on 1955 in Princeton. Number 1. Nikola Tesla. This Serbian-born scientist atop the list because of his immense knowledge in different fields of science and technology. Without a question, this 1856-born guy was a cool geek. He could speak 8 languages, recite a whole book completely just with one reading, make a device just by seeing it once and not writing down anything. A funny fact about him was that he was a celibate his whole life. Tesla had developed almost everything by himself and did not expose any of it, which later was invented by other scientists in his time. Tesla had generated AC current before Edison knew about charges. Marconi, who got Nobel Prize for inventing radio, used all the ideas of Tesla. X-rays by Röntgen, radar by Watson, what were all devised by Nikola Tesla. There was almost nothing that Tesla did not do. First hydroelectricity plant in Niagara Falls, experiments with cryogenic engineering, transistors, radio wave recorder from outer space were all built by Tesla. Remote control, neon lightning, modern electric motor, earthquake machine are finest inventions from Tesla. He was a true genius. However, most of his ideas and inventions were either copied, stolen, or taken by somebody else. Tesla made a way to charge a house with electric lightning for electricity purpose but did not share it, thinking somebody else will take it. This incredible mind created revolution with his inventions. He was a future thinker and his minds would run on any wavelengths. However, he died tragically in a hotel room and was found dead only after 2 days of his death in 1943. Okay, these were 5 greatest scientists who changed the world with their inventions. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe this channel.